Welcome to my channel. I'm Key. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this 3D butterfly. In this tutorial, I'm using 3mm hook and applique yarn. Let's start with a magic circle. First, we're going to make one double crochet. You can make chain 3 instead of first double crochet, second double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2. The pattern for this round is 2 double crochets and chain 2. We need to repeat 8 times. So we have 8 sets of 2 double crochets and chain 2. Let's follow this pattern until you finish 8 sets of 2 double crochets and chain 2. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. And cut off the yarn. We're going to use the different color for the next round. Insert hook between 2 double crochets, chain 1. We are going to make 6 double crochets in the chain 2 space. 1 double crochet, 2, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochets, 5 double crochets, 6 double crochets. Snip stitch between 2 double crochets. Following, we are just going to repeat this pattern. Crochet 6 double crochet in the chain space. Insert the hook between 2 double crochets. Make a snip stitch. The pattern for this round is a snip stitch between 2 double crochets, followed by 6 double crochets in the chain 2 area. Please follow this pattern in finishing round. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch. Chain 1. Now we are going to make chain 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are going to fold it like that. Wrap the chains all around. And insert the hook to the first stitch. And chain 1. Cut off the yarn, weaving the ends. Cut off the rest of the yarn. This is how to crochet this 3D butterfly. It's a great idea for keychain, blanket or crochet top decoration. If you learned how to crochet this 3D butterfly, please like and share this video and comment for your ideas of how to use this 3D butterfly for. Thank you for watching. See you next time.